Hi everybody, Elledani here, and I am here with another Grimfrost unboxing. The first one did really well. People seem to really enjoy it, so I decided to do a second one with this package. It's actually been sitting here waiting for me for about 2 weeks now, and I've been so busy I haven't been able to do it, but finally today, here we go. The scissors I'm using to open the package are also from Grimfrost. These are replica of Viking era scissors. If you don't know, the necklace I have on is also from Grimfrost. That is the Jormungandr pendant. And if you don't know what Grimfrost is, they are a Swedish company that does a lot of Viking era replicas and modern Viking street clothes and a lot of really cool stuff. Oh, and they supplied a lot of props to Game of Thrones, and they do still supply props to Vikings. This particular item, I've had my eye on for a really long time, and I figured it was finally the time. This is a Raven banner. This in particular was flown by Ragnar Lothbrok, who, if you don't know, is one of the biggest historical figures from the Viking era. Super popular. Ragnar and Vikings is based upon him loosely. This, I hope, will go on our boat eventually. This next thing I have also had my eye on for a really long time. This is a drinking horn that has the it is a Mjolnir carved into it. It is hand carved. I looked at it funny because in the camera it kind of looked like a triquetra, and that was not what I ordered. So this is a really cool medium-sized drinking horn. The one I had got lost at sea. I will put a video in here, but there's a giant party on Lake St. Clair, which is really close to where we live. One of the biggest parties of the year in this bay, and I was a very happy Viking, and my horn got lost at sea. So this will replace it, and this will not be going to that party this year. So this next thing, if you saw my last unboxing, you will have already seen these, but I did get more of them. I don't know how well you can really see it through there. They're beard beads, which are not just for beards, and one of my next videos I might even do tomorrow is actually going to show how to put these in and some different applications beyond just beards. We have the smaller troll cross, which I do actually also have the larger version, but I bought this for something really specific that will actually be featured in a shoot that we're doing tomorrow. So definitely check Instagram, because some sneak peeks and behind the scenes stuff will definitely be posted while we're going tomorrow. Actually goes with the drinking horn. And this is a horn stand, which is pretty cool. It is made out of hand-forged iron. It goes actually like that, so that that iron hole would anchor it, and it actually sits really nice. Another really cool thing about the Troll Cross is this is, for one, it is hand-forged iron, but it is also an Old Norse symbol that was worn or painted on buildings, and it was supposed to protect against trolls. So these next items are kind of cool. You can find them in the historical and crafting area of the Grimfrost site. What looks like enlarged sewing needles, kind of. These are actually Viking Age knitting needles. You see they're two different colors. One is like black and one is off-white. The off-white is bone, and this one is actually made of horn, just like the drinking horns are. There really isn't a difference between the two in terms of use, but I am actually going to using this, which I'll get to in a second. I'm going to learn how to use these, and I'm going to make some videos to teach you how to use these. So I just kind of figured, depending on the project and the material, there might be a need to have different colored ones. One color might be easier to see than the other, depending on the video. So then, these are Elledani. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that is, this is yarn spun from Icelandic sheepskin. I really wanted the black. It was actually out of stock. I thought the gray might be easier to see to learn on anyways. I do kind of know how to crochet, and I know that sometimes lighter colors are absolutely easier to see on, so I figured this was a decent starting point anyways. Mr. Ragnar is going to give us a pronunciation here.
Elledani.
Is that how you say it? Elledani?
Elledani. You got it.
Elledani.
It was right.
That is how you say that word there. So I think that is about it. So thank you for watching another unboxing. This is one of my very few videos. I just started doing this, and this is actually my very first ever talking, which, if you know me, this is not my cup of tea. I really don't know that I fully enjoy or I'm comfortable doing this, but I'm trying. So please leave a comment, leave me some love. Constructively tell me where I can do better if you wish. I'm totally open to that too. So if you are shopping Grimfrost, don't forget I am an ambassador. Grimfrost, Dragoness10, DRAGONESS10, all caps. Use that code at checkout and that'll get you 10% off pretty much anything on the site. There are a few things that are handcrafted, some of the larger weapons and things like that it doesn't count for, but it's a really small percentage, and the things that it doesn't count on are artisan and handcrafted, and it makes sense that it doesn't. If you have purchased anything with my code, I would love to see what you scored. You can shoot me a private message on Instagram and send me a picture with it. I'd love to put you in my story. Before we bring this video to an end, I wanted to give a shout out to everyone that's used my code already. You guys may not know it, but you've actually made this entire box possible, as well as the one from the first unboxing video. So thank you guys so much. You've actually enabled a lot of content, different shoots to be done. So I can't thank you enough, and I'm so glad that you enjoy the stuff we're creating from it. We happen to have a surprise guest here, another member of the Dracana clan. This is Obsidian, and she is a black and white Argentine Tegu. She is actually one of the newest members of the family, and you can see she's fitting in ridiculously well. We love her so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. From our clan to yours. Skull.